Hello everyone, welcome to Samasto YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn MS Paint, another tutorial. These were created during the previous tool discussion. Let's start to learn other tools. Select Tool. Select Tool default is a rectangle. You can select the image as you want. Just draw a box over the image. Then you can move the image to another location by click and hold center of the selected box, and drag. Here is Select Tool more options. You can use Free from Selection option. Just draw a boundary line outside the image. Then move. Look at the white background, this also moved with the image. If you want to remove the background, then go to the Select options, and click Transparent Selection. Then it will be gone. You can select the entire image by Select All option, or simply Ctrl+A button. You can delete the drawing from Select option. Just select the drawing, and go Delete option, or press Delete key. To return back the deleted drawing, go Undo option, or press Ctrl+Z button. There also Redo option, if press this makes to go something you've undone. Here is the easy way to crop the image. Simply select the image, and click the Crop option. You can resize the image as your choice, from Resize option. First turn off Transparent Selection. Go Resize option. Change horizontal or vertical percentage or pixels, like this. Now select and change Skew, by the angle, from Resize option. It changes the image like this. Now turn on Transparent Selection. Let's start to copy the image. Just select the image, and click Copy, or Ctrl+C key. Then Paste, or Ctrl+V key. You can rotate the image, there is many rotate options. Turn off Transparent Selection. Rotate. Flip horizontal. Flip vertical. Rotate 180 degree. Rotate left 90 degree. Rotate right 90 degree. Flip horizontal. Now turn on Transparent Selection. Select the image, and click Cut, or Ctrl+X key. Paste. Keep in mind that, after complete the drawing it should to be saved in the perfect location by the Save button, or Ctrl+S key. Choose Pictures folder, and put a picture name. The default picture file type is PNG, you can save it as JPEG. Save. If you close the paint, and open it again, you can find this drawing. Close. Right-click on Paint, Open. File, Open. Click Picture, and Open. Then you can also continue the drawing. Today taught the basic drawing tools used in MS Paint. Other tools already discussed in previous tutorials. Links are in the description. If any tool is left to introduce, please type it in the comment box. You can now open MS Paint and check by own. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also subscribe our YouTube channel. And click on bell icon for more updates. See you in the next tutorial.